Welcome to Ocean in 60, a series showcasing the research and technology that is revolutionizing the way we do business in ocean. The ocean covers over 70% of our planet, yet most of it is unexplored and not well understood. As we unlock the potential of our blue economy, it's crucial we do so sustainably and with deep respect for this global resource. In this series, we will bring you up close with the leaders at the forefront of research in ocean and the role in regulating our planet, as well as leaders focused on ocean solutions that bring us closer to net zero and create growth and exciting jobs in the process. From companies developing biofuels to sustainable aquaculture solutions to those creating underwater robots, cutting-edge mapping technologies, we will look at the solutions that are shaping the future of ocean. Join us as we dive into the deep blue and explore the research and companies shaping the future of our ocean. Ocean in 60.